for Shillong, and it got started obviously by MTBF, and this happened I think almost how much 2005 to 2012, and then it stopped for 5 years. So we initiated again last year, and we got such good response, and in fact we got so much support from the government, and they were so happy that we initiated the event. So we got the enthusiasm to do it again this year, and we're pretty happy in spite of the fact that we had to postpone the event because of the sudden cyber load. But I think we got a pretty decent turnout today, even though we clashed at LA7, and I'm hoping that tomorrow will be an even greater day. And the main thing about doing this event is basically having a festival that's synonymous with Shillong. It has to be a festival that everybody in Shillong will be a part of, and obviously have tourists also coming in and seeing the culture, seeing the music, seeing the tradition, and just seeing our people, because we as a people are so full of life, we enjoy music, we enjoy having fun and all, so why not share it with the rest of the world?
Okay. And don't you think, I'm just saying, NH7 hasn't become too cliche, this is something new, or it's a tough competition between this festival and the other festival that's going on?
So basically, when you think about it, right, every music festival is more or less the same, because eventually it's we're only promoting music. But the one thing we're trying to do different with Shillong Autumn Festival is that we're hoping to basically have a theme every year. So last year we had music as a theme. This year we again had music as a theme, because we didn't really have any other theme that we could think of. But we tried to at least tie up with election department. So it was music, but music with a cause. So especially with all the elections happening this year, we also tied up with the AIDS Society to basically propagate awareness about AIDS. So those were the two main departments that we tied up. And in fact, next year we're hoping that we can move to a theme on sports, because the national games are coming up. So our main purpose is to ensure that it's not just music. It has to be music with a cause. And this year we're trying as much as we can to make it plastic free, and I'm thinking that we're managing it somehow, and if we can even go beyond that, it'll be awesome.
We were amazed. We were not expecting so much of crowd. At 5 p.m. already more than 1,000 people have turned up. It is clashing with the NH7, which also happens the 1st and 2nd of November. But we are so amazed and happy to see that the crowd has responded to the Autumn Festival, which is a planned festival for the people of Shillong. So yes, this time it's going to be more crowd tomorrow. People after coming from NH7, they just turn up for tomorrow.
And this turnout was the crowd is there from
See, the band that is playing right now, they're all from Nagaland. So we've got so many people from Nagaland supporting the band. Gautam is here, and I came today, and my colleagues who are organizing the event, they'll have more information about that. But as far as you can see, we see that more people from the Northeast have arrived, turned up for the event.